Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am very happy to start the Audi R8 tutorial series, something which I have been planning to start for a long time, and finally it is starting now. Designing a car in Catia is not a very difficult, but the real challenge is to record the full process and explain everything clearly. So I have created this training program. I have designed this training program, the training series, to help you learn surface modeling in a very simple and easy way. In this tutorial, we will model that full Audi R8 car step by step. Where you are the beginner or want to improve your skills, this training program will help you a lot. I will also provide exercise files so you can practice along with me. So let's dive in and have some fun learning experience. The most basic things to make the car is the 3D curves. You can say these are the foundation. So first of all, how to learn how to make the 3D curves. So I have used combine curve option, and first of all you need to set up the blueprint, the reference image. Long back I have already created a tutorial on this, how to set up the reference image. You can check the tutorial, the link has given in the description. So in the industry, the typical process start with creating a clay model, which usually take around a year to 2 years. It's depend upon the model. From this clay model, scan data is generated, then using high-end applications like Alias and Catia to generate classes surface. Surfaces are developed based on the scan data. This is a standard workflow used in the industry. However, in my case, I have created this model directly from a 2D blueprint. So this method is just for training purpose. I have already set up the reference image. I am starting with a sketch in the side view by using a spline command. But remember, the up axis supposed to be Z axis and the front axis should be X. So this is the universal standard. Just generally we follow. Some cases in SolidWorks it is different. However, I hope you have already set up your reference image and start parallelly with me. And I generally use 3 to 4 point maximum splines. So you can skip the small transitions that we could achieve by blend command later. So now I am going to use the combine curve option to create the 3D curves. In curve 1, if you right click, you can get the option to extract this curve, and from the side view also please repeat the process from the top view with the relevant curve. So in this way you can extract the curves individually, and we can, in a single sketch, we don't need to create sketches again and again. So and use the along direction option, and for the curve, bottom curve, you can use the Z axis, and on the side view curves that you have extracted, you can use the Y axis. In this way I will repeat this process. So we will use the right clicks randomly in Catia. So I like this style. This is shortcut to get the commands, and please follow and repeat whatever I am trying to highlight. So these are the 3D curves that we have created. So now we are few steps away to create our first surface. So stay tuned. So this is the exercise for today, and here I'm going to use the sweep command to create the surface. This is profile, guide curve 1 and guide curve 2. So yeah, this file, okay, I'm using the sweep command. Again, I'm repeating this. So two guide curves option. Now select the profile, and guide curve 1 and guide curve 2, then okay. But there is a problem, so just go to the side view, and you can see the line is the bottom line. This line, the highlighted line, is the bottom line, and we need to extrapolate the surface a little bit, just a little. So check the curvature continuity option. Okay, then we will project this limiting line on the surface along direction. The direction is Y, so the line has already projected. Now we are going to split. Actually, we have used this method because we have only two guide curves, and the profile we have created in assumption. So if you have four boundaries, then you can do it in some other ways, like if you have the so now we will use the fill command to create the surface by clicking the four curves that we have generated and hide it. We can get it in a fill command. So for this we need four boundaries. It is sufficient for this command. Now we have the surface, but condition, we must have four boundaries, but we don't have. So initially we were having two guide curves and one profile. Also, you can create the surface by using multi-section surface command. So now we don't need these boundaries, and we will use these two guide curves and one spine for multi-section surface command, one the top and the bottom one, and we will use the spine option and select this. Now this surface is ready. So there are several ways. So I will discuss about the other techniques, like freestyle techniques, in some other class. So today I am finishing my class today. I have worked really hard to design this training for you. Your small support will truly motivate me to bring more valuable and helpful training videos in future. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon in the next class.